we got Hunter's car over here, and it's got a misfire according to the old scanner thing, which means, well, it specifically states that we've got a misfire on cylinder 2, which could be caused by a few different things. The first thing we want to check is the spark plug, probably, or the ignition coil.
Ignition coil is correct, sir.
Or what else could it be? It could be compression, which is kind of what I wanted to do first, and we don't have a compression.
Nah, we ain't gotta worry about the compression right now.
So we'll just switch. We'll just try a spark plug first and see if it goes away, and then you. But first, you know, because it's a Lexus, we got to take off this this little beauty piece right here. First guess. Who'd have thought? Who'd have thought? This thing on? Oh, it doesn't.
No, it's just
the thing on top of it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's kind of cool. To sell them individually instead of like a coil pack.
Here's that. Spark plug.
Oh.
This is it.
Ow. Do we need to get that off?
Are you sure? Which one's number 2?
This is 2.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because that's what the diagram online said. This is, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it doesn't work, we'll double check online, but I'm 80% certain that's 2.
Alright. 80%, that's 20% of error possibility.
I don't think it'll hurt anything if we take the wrong one off.
He's paying for anything that gets messed up.
Yeah, right.
Sitting on the spark plug on the bottom.
I think spark plugs are good for like, I don't want to be the one to like snap it. Spark plugs can snap and then you're like really f***ed because it goes into the cylinder head. So I wouldn't force it too much, and beautiful.
Needle nose. You got a needle nose on you?
The business. This is nice. This is a cool design. Because usually there's a coil pack.
You know what I'm saying?
Wait a second. I got her. Oh, that thing looks grody. Let's just try the spark plug first. We got a little bit of NICs for the spark plug. Makes it easier coming out later. Do you have the code scanner here?
That's in my car.
When in doubt, ask your neighbor for stuff. Yeah, let's do the old loosen before you tighten. Ooh! Just to make sure. Alright, where's the old? I think it's
put them in there. You sure this is number 2?
Yeah.
It's no easy to change this crap, but you bring it to like the dealership. Yeah, it's gonna be $150. There are definitely some things that you need, like mechanic to do.
Like nothing.
Well, I mean,
Just stuff that you need like a lift for, I suppose.
yeah, but like they're like doing this kind of stuff. Like you can apply yourself.
Hey, you forgot where's that spacer? It's right there. Don't forget the spacer.
You need the space.
You see this ribbing? Short side up.
Fire it up.
Have you reset the code?
No, but I can.
Hopefully it is the ignition coil. Alright, take that puppy out.
There's the new one back there.
New one's over Dursky. Does it come with a new seal or no? Ignition coil. Bada bang, bada boom, bada bing.
This is another way of saying we don't know.
It should be. According to the internet. According to an RX 300.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Yeah! was easy. Don't you wish all cars were that easy to fix?